Ghana. And secondly, as Ghanaians, we heard there is a man from Nigeria claiming to be, according to the Ghana Traditional Council, he is claiming to be a king, and he was stamped as the self-acclaimed Igbo king. We as Ghanaians are very, very not happy with the way our politicians are quiet on this issue.
We are going to face Nigeria, not any other country. We'll be facing Nigeria, not any Nigeria, Igbos. We'll be facing Igbos in the next 20 years to come.
Everyone should be careful wherever you are. Make sure if you are moving around in the night, you have safety measures in place. You have your, you know, something to defend yourself.
What are the safety measures? And are they, guarded by law?
The safety measures, you have to make sure you have the ones that are guarded by law.
Odofo enchie bia na ye Igbo Hene ene alasa Ayariga ho nsem beto odwa ene ebobo ho ye pa na sisie de aba nde dutwem eye alasa Ayariga se ontwuma Igbo Hene emete kingdom bia wo Ghana ha na ye wura ni nsemu no eye alasa Ayariga ba TikTok live ebe ka nsem bebre na wo hwe ni nsem no so a wo kirem na utimo se asem no to asomu na me kire se wo se so ono ade nani kan Igbofo ewo eye Ghana kurodwe yi mu a omuye nipa mako 4 million na mu 1 million eye manko a na sabio e man so no ahyawo no mobo na chese ye wo kirem a ebi oyale ekoso nyina no ni na afiri meya enti won tiase e ma Igbofo no entena eye Ghana ha wo se won de won ka se wo pam Nigeria fo nanso emum Igbofo enti alasa Ayariga ka se obeye eye demonstration kese pa ene de mu so koso yie na wodi pass mako VIP pass mako 100 ene kofa ni pardon bebre na odofo menka na ada the money de ensem piepie bu pa enyagro enti ye bokọ ne ekotie ensem a ekoso no na se wi a ne akabia ide pepe.
Just do not speak up. Stop taking bribes and being corrupt. And begin to protect this nation with all their brains and mindset. We are going to face Nigeria, not any other country. We'll be facing Nigeria, not any Nigeria, Igbos. We'll be facing Igbos in the next 20 years to come because of our lands and properties and their illicit behavior, their bad behavior. Already, I'm being honest with you. I want to tell you this. Ghanaians are beginning to be afraid of Nigerians in this country. Go and make a survey and ask. You know why? They kill and get away. When we beat, we go to jail. In our own country. When they kill Ghanaian citizens, they bribe their way through and get freed. So they are not scared to do any bad thing. But we Ghanaians, we have a different soft heart. We don't believe in killing our own. But Nigerians are killing us. So individually, we are scared of them. But collectively, we are now going to put them behind us and take them out of this country. And I'm going to leave that.
Thank you.
Anybody who has a problem with the Nigerian man, he should approach me.
Thank you.
Whether it's a matter of rent, it's a matter of anything.
Thank you.
Let me know. This thing must stop. This must stop. We are not joking.
No.
The Igbo man thinks we are joking. Even the media are giving him attention for him to be like somebody who eats from the back.
That's it.
The media, the Ghanaian media men are even respecting this man and giving him attention. Why? What is wrong with that? Can't we protect our own country? Must we always eat from the wrongdoings? Must we always take bribe and chop from wrongdoings? Can't we at least for once step out and defend our people and our country without taking something? Can't we? What is your contribution to your country? What is your contribution to your country? What is your responsibility is just to make money in your pocket? And you cannot sacrifice a penny, a cent, your mind, your brains for building Ghana motherland? Why? What is wrong with our people here? The man sat on national television and sat on his pole and said Ghanaians are uncultured.
Yes.
That we are sick in the mind. And you can go and interview such a madman? You don't know that he's insulting you and your father? We entertain such a man in this country? No. If they are listening, they should listen well. This man must be deported out of Ghana.
Thank you. Thank you.
I am not joking.
Thank you.
Saturday, they will see our life. They will see where we are. Our anger can take us to.
Yes.
Some useless, let me put this way, I'm beginning to get upset. Useless foreign minister of Nigeria. Send me a text message. I am a presidential candidate. I am inciting my people against their people.
It's not correct.
What is it that this man has done that I'm attacking him? I said, Masa, look, I'm not your citizen. Be careful who you are talking to. I'm also not your classmate. And I'm not your son. Handle Nigeria and let me handle Ghana. If you have a problem, deal with it. If you mess with me, if you one more time send me a message, you will not like what is going to happen with Nigerians in this country. I am not the type you can scare. Don't ever send me a text message again. Okay? Don't. If you don't know who I am, Google and ask where I come from. I don't take nonsense there. If you people can be buying our politicians who come to you in Nigeria and beg for money. Have you ever seen me in Nigeria when I'm doing my politics? Do I come to you to solicit for money? My party is APC. Go and ask APC leadership. Have they ever seen me there? You say because my party is APC, I'm coming to you for money to campaign. Or have you ever seen me any part of Nigeria going for money for campaign? I am not the kind of people you can buy. I am not. So be careful. Ghana is for Ghanaians, Nigeria is for Nigeria. Stay there. Deal with your useless country and leave me alone.
Thank you.
Let's deal with Ghana. This is a Ghana matter, not a Nigeria matter. Take your citizen and go out. If you don't want the way we treat him, take him out.
Simple.
And leave us alone. We are not asking, we are not begging him to come to Ghana. Rescue him. That's fine. I'm not worried about that. I will sleep very well if all Nigerians should leave Ghana. If Nigerians leave Ghana, our economy will run down. I say, oh my God. Oh God. Do you think Nigeria's economy is better than Ghana's economy? Take the statistics and the what do you call it, and the parameters and check. Your city and our naira, which one is better? Which are mighty Nigeria in what? In corruption. Mighty Nigeria in what? In scamming.
That's all.
Almighty Nigeria in what? Prostitution. Almighty Nigeria in what? In armed robbery. That is the only when you call a Nigerian person's name 419, that's what it's attached to. Again, our passports.
Thank you.
My brother, we are going to lose that respect and dignity the world has for Ghana. Because Nigerians are now taking our passports, and our leaders there are giving it out for peanuts. Now they've given you a hat, so we are
You are square now.
passports that they respect, the world respect every Ghanaian citizen because we are calm, we are intelligent, we are truthful, we are trustworthy, we are honest, we are sincere, we are humble. Every person in the world understands this of a Ghanaian citizen. Because of that, our citizens are given a lot of leverage over other African citizens. Our citizens are given better positions, better jobs, because we are hardworking. We don't do scamming. We are not scammers. We are not 419. Now, we are not 419, but our passports are beginning to become 419. Those who possess our passports. And this is a problem where Ghanaian politicians are mute. NDC and MPP are mute. Let me tell you another reason. Because in Igbo politicians, they are big men from Nigeria and Igbo community here in Ghana. And went ahead to say that even the next president of Nigeria must come from the Igbo land. And they, the Igbos in Ghana, in this kingdom he want to build, will make that decision. I don't know whether you listened to that.
Yeah, I did. I did.
Now, I don't know whether he's dreaming or he's put up that video to scam people. Somebody is putting some makeup on my face. You know.
Those are TikTok gifts. People are just gifting you.
They are trying to decorate me. I don't know whether they want me to become a Mexican. They want me to become a cowboy. I don't know. I mean, they should let me be a traditional person, a Ghanaian traditional citizen. I like to wear my smoke and in my small smoke at home. Yeah. So they should just leave me alone, I beg you. So good. My brother. Ghana is a country that allows visitors. We pamper visitors more than we pamper our own citizens. And that is sad.
Yeah.
We respect visitors more than we respect our own. That is bad. We support visitors more than our own in all aspects. It being political, banking sector, even housing sector, lands and everything. Visitors always get it than the ordinary citizen. So when this man said it, I thought of my two policies. I have these two policies. One of the policies, when I become president of Republic of Ghana, inshallah, no foreigner will buy outright land or property in Ghana. No foreigner. I'm not against any foreigner, but I'm protecting the property that is for my people. No foreigner. The second one is that no foreigner will have the power to possess or license a weapon.
Great.
You are not going to come into my land and take the lives of my people.
Important.
No, you can't do that.
No.
We have laws and regulations in this country. And if you're a foreigner and you have issues, that is why we have the police, we have the law courts, we have the traditional leaders, and we have other institutions that are there to address your problem. But not for you to license a weapon and shoot and kill my people. It will not happen. The issue of the land, my brother, we all know, unless you claim land sand from the sea in order to build more banks. But in a nutshell, land does not in the world.
Yeah.
Because we are building and building and building.
Every day.
Every day. And you know, because of our level of, let me say, income and standards in Ghana, we don't build more of high-rise buildings. We build our 3 bedrooms, 4 bedrooms. Everybody who has little money that you can accommodate. If you get land, you build 3 bedrooms, 2 bedrooms. In actual, we are using the land rather than using it judiciously.
Yeah.
Because in other countries like China, they build high-rise buildings, and hundreds of people can occupy 4 particular plots of land, which can accommodate thousands of people.
Yeah.
But in Ghana, Everybody wants to have his own. So land is reducing on daily basis. Even farmlands, we are losing farmlands already. Now, if we keep selling these lands to foreigners, outright to foreigners, do you know what is coming to happen? What is going to happen? In the near future, we will become foreigners in our own country.
Definitely.
Because foreigners will take over our country. Already, they've taken over certain parts of our country.
There are so many foreigners living in different parts of Ghana.
And where they are living is not just ordinary places. The best places. Foreigners live in much luxurious places than citizens of Ghana.
I tell you.
It is supposed to be the opposite in every country. If you go to the US, the United States citizen, the high class, they live in the best community in the US. Go to England, it's almost the same. If you go to Germany, it's the same.
Yeah.
You as a foreigner, there are certain communities, you dare not even go there. Because it's meant for the high class of that particular country.
Yeah.
Citizens of that particular country.
Yeah.
You go to Dubai, it's the same. You go to Qatar, it's the same. Okay?
Odofo na chese we ensem a eye alasan Ayariga de betu dwa no. Na sisi e de ye buawura eye demonstration na e course no. Medika ka chiro se ensem epiem na nye easy. Eye Ghana ha youth na e kasai pa ye. Omo kire se cheseye kidnap e koso bebrebe nyina no. Eye Igbo fo na ena obeti a ene ya chire yesie ena obeti ene yekunwe chese ni nyina ye Igbo fo na edi se adwuma. Enti saya alasan Ayariga se wo pamu Igbo fo na omujitum se ombe supporting se yempamu Igbo fo no enfri Ghana hakra ene youth no bebre kasai bebre chire omadwen na me ni de me hu ne se ni omoka ni nyina asoso no efa ba ebi wo ye no kure because na obeti a yekunwe ene yekunwe ya tunsuo mi ayese odofo mumi yenko tie nsem a eye nkofo bebre so ye den edi tu dwa wo de monimu.
We are Ghanaians, and at the moment, I think every Ghanaian, there's a trend going on out there that Ghana is not safe. There's a lot of kidnappings going on. As you can look behind me, just in the space of 2 weeks, we've lost about 8 of our Ghanaian brothers and sisters through kidnapping and then, circumstances which is very strange to understand. And at this point, we decided to come out to speak to our leaders that the kidnapping cases that is going on in Ghana is too much. We don't feel safe in our own country anymore. And as youth of this country, we've been able to assess the situation, and we've realized that there are so many, immigrants that are coming into Ghana without any proper checks. They get to our borders, they just enter Ghana, they commit crimes, and sometimes getting them is very difficult. So today we are gathered here to create an awareness, which is one, to let Ghanaians know that we are not safe anymore. Everyone should be careful wherever you are. Make sure if you are moving around in the night, you have safety measures in place. You have your, something to defend yourself.
What are the safety measures? And are they, guarded by law?
The safety measures, you have to make sure you have the ones that are guarded by law. There are safety measures which is guarded by law. If you don't know how to get this kind of safety measures, we entreat you to go to any nearest police station, go and ask them that I need something to protect myself due to the current happenings in Ghana. And secondly, as Ghanaians, we heard there is a man from Nigeria claiming to be, according to the Ghana Traditional Council, he is claiming to be a king, and he was termed as the self-acclaimed Igbo king. We as Ghanaians are very, very not happy with the way our politicians are quiet on this issue. The media is quiet on this issue. Our mainstream musicians, everybody is quiet, and we as citizens on this country, looking at the atrocities some of our neighboring countries are committing in Ghana, we cannot sit down and allow them have a king as well in Ghana.
Right, so before you go there, so who do you blame for the lives that we've lost here? Who are the cause, or who do you blame for that?
So we blame our authorities, we blame the Ghana Immigration Service, we blame the Ghana Police Service, because they see these things happening in Ghana and they overlook it. And at this point, we are putting all the blames on them, and we are telling them straightforward that they should sit up and then do the needful, because the citizens of this country who voted for them and then give them the mandate to be the police, to be the immigration, we are not safe in the country anymore. And these are the evidences of life.
So why is the focus on the Nigerians?
So the focus is not only on the Nigerians, the focus is on anybody that is in Ghana without proper documentation. We don't know what the person is doing, being it Nigerian, being it Nigerian, being it Cameroonian, being it Senegalese. But why, or the reason why you see more focus on Nigerians is because when you go into our database, most of the crimes that are committed by foreigners are Nigerians. So that is the reason why you see it to be something which is focusing on Nigerians. But we are not focusing on Nigerians alone. We are focusing on how we will be safe.
And someone a yetiman for that a youth no ranty any Maya, and some be too general. Because what's the answer no more can man? No way to meet say. A woman who do a cost for Ghana Hene Nano, a Igbo for now. And now bet you a transfer, Yakwakuno, and ya kidnap way, just in some be brain air coso. Now, medium Mahuni said, Alas Ayariga, saying you so bare for our Ghana Hammer. And Kagana, you better him to my prefer. Because near Oye or yet your boy a Ghana for, and Tina walk to the demonity said, Igbo must go. Other for it was so many brain mutie. Ever some mobile like him, mobile subscriber my GH Power TV. Near catch in na, ya the bedroom.